Hey everyone, it's been a while since I've done a review on my channel, but these came in and I decided, I wanted to do one in case anybody else saw them on Facebook and is thinking about buying them. Down here it says cute mini version. Well, they don't say that in the ad on Facebook. Also in the ad on Facebook it shows children sitting in front of a slightly larger version of this. The box is 9 by 9. So you know the inside's not much bigger. Okay, we camp, we take the boys with us. This will be good for them, for camping. But it was kind of pricey. So, I'm a little disappointed. But anyway, I hope they enjoy it. It says you can play without batteries. And this group of toys use lever and track inertia to make the car run without batteries. So you have these little controls here, and the car travels around the track to different stops. And then you can, have to know which lever to use to get the car to move to the next station. It goes uphill. It has a helicopter, I think, that it's supposed to pick it up and move it over to here. I hope that works. But I bought 2 of them, and I got 2 different colors on purpose because, the boys are going to fight over them. What I didn't realize at the time, this one came with 4 cars. This one comes with 3 cars. So, my camera position really, really sucks. I'm going to change that today. I'm going to go ahead and let them have them on Thanksgiving Day. This, to me, is going to get lost in the Christmas rush. But I'll give it to them for Nicholas's birthday. They have a police car. I don't see a 4th car in this one. Okay, I got a police car, a Volkswagen van, some kind of red bus. Oh, there it is, and a Volkswagen. This one comes with the same thing, but I'm still not seeing the 4th car in this one. It's got a police car. No, this one only comes with 3 cars, so it's missing the van. Since it's Nicholas's birthday, I'm giving him the 4-car ones, even though the colors on it are more preschool, which will go better for the baby. But I'm going to give him this one because they had the 4 cars. This one is going to Nene Anthony, who is 3 years old. Well, he'll be 3 in February, so he's getting this one. But yeah, I think it's really going to be more Nene's gear, and he'll probably play with them, both of them most. But like I said, I'm upset that they didn't specify for that price I was getting a mini version, because I would have paid more to get the bigger version. And I'm upset that I didn't realize there was different cars to it, because that's going to, well, if you ever had 2 little boys, that's going to cause an issue, a conflict. I was buying this one originally for Nicholas because his favorite colors are blue, but because it's lacking a car, it's going to go to Nene instead, because it is Nicholas's birthday. But I always get both of them something. So it says, exercise your child's reflexes, exercise your child's grip, develop child's color recognition. They both already have all that. And brave each checkpoint with mechanical linkages. They love anything Matchbox and small cars and the tracks that go with them. So I'm hoping this will give them some entertainment. And if nothing else, it will become a camping toy that they can take. I don't know if I can get this under the camera or not, but, you have this, you have your tracks and your cartoon cars, you have a crane and a pillar. To me, this is worth $10 less than what I paid for it on Facebook, but it is what it is. I wish I had known that I was not getting a bigger version when I purchased it. It did not say that anywhere on there that it was a mini. So this is what they're getting, and a couple other little small things, but yeah, I kind of wish I had seen any small print at all anywhere that said I wasn't getting the big one. So just buy everywhere. Look for small print. Look and see, does this say cute mini version? Because it didn't. I swear it didn't say that. And if it did, I totally missed it. So, yeah, I guess it'll be okay for no more than they're going to use it. And if not, it'll just become a toy that goes in the RVs for something for when I need them to sit down and be quiet. I can put them each at the table with it, and one on each side of the bench, and they can play for a couple of hours, hopefully. So, that's my review of the car adventures. It doesn't even say on here what company made them, so I can't remember to tell you. It's an educational toy, mechanical principle. I try to buy as many educational things for them as I can, because on holidays and birthdays, because they get so much junky stuff, not junky, but the regular boy toys. I want a girl so bad. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.